Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Simplified Invention. In this video, we are going to make a self-moving Beetle bot. It is a Beetle robot. Let's see how to make it. Let's go on to the video. Let's see what are the accessories and components required to make it. We need a piece of foam sheet or cardboard, aluminum rods or sticks, a 9-volt battery, a switch, a motor, a DC motor, a battery cap, wire as much required for circuiting, and then we have a pen. We'll remove the refill for making it. Now we'll start making this. First we'll cut the base of the Beetle using the compass. Shape of the Beetle. Now let's cut it by using the scissor. Now the shape of a Beetle cardboard is ready. Now we will make the leg of it. I have taken a strip of aluminum or steel. I have bended it. I will show you how to bend it. Taking like this. I am measuring it to the same one. Same on the other side. Now I have bent it. Now we have to glue it like this. This in the center. Now let's start gluing it. We'll start gluing it. So it sticks firmly and strongly. We have completed gluing it. Now we will start giving the circuit, taking the battery connector and 9-volt battery, connecting it, and then we will fix it here, and glue it. Fix it. And then we will fix the motor here. Circuit. Switch. We have almost completed. Look of the circuit. Now we will glue it. The Beetle board. Completed the Beetle. That's it. Now we will insert the refill to the motor. Now we will see the working of a Beetle board. Thanks for watching our video. Please give a like, share, subscribe our channel Simplified Invention and click the bell icon to get the immediate notification when we upload any video.